Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. My name is Faiza. If you are new here, please do subscribe to my channel. So today I am going to create this look using the Huda Beauty ka this palette I've used. Very nice, simple and easy look. So I hope you guys enjoy the look, and obviously you can learn something from it and create yourself. So let's just get right into the video, okay?
Okay, so let's just start off. First of all, I prepped and primed my skin. I'm just using this Huda Beauty palette and using the lightest of the pink shade. So as you can see, I've taken a masking tape and just put them just on the sides of my eyes. I'm just going in with this pink shade and just going back and forward motion, as you can see, and I'm just going to do it on the both of the eyes. Obviously just build up the coverage as you go, because I don't like to just go with heavy hand, because I like to build up the coverage, because that's how the makeup is going to look the best basically. Okay, the next, and I'm going in with a smaller blending brush, and I'm going in with the darkest slightly darkest pink shade, and again I'm just putting that on top and just blending it. Obviously as you're going, just making sure that the both are looking the same. So this is how it's looking at the moment. Okay, and then I'm going in with this bigger blending brush and the lighter shade that I took before. I'm just blending that out, and again I'm going in with the darker shade. So it's just a matter of going back and forwards with makeup in terms of blending. And then I've taken this even smaller blending brush and I've taken the dark purple shade. I'm trying to create a wing effect here. As you can see, it's like making this wing effect with this smaller brush. So just putting it on my where you put your eyeliner, just putting it there and try to create like a wing. So this is how it's looking at the moment. Again, you have to be very light-handed while you're doing that. Okay, now I'm taking this pink shimmer and I'm just putting it on my inner corners and on the eyelids. So first I'm going in with a flat brush, as you can see. Again on the other side I'm doing the same with the flat brush, and if you do want to build up the coverage, you can use your fingers like the way I just did. Just use your fingers and build up the coverage. And at the end, I would just take your masking tape off, and this is how it should look like, and just clean up the mess underneath. I'm just using a Q-tip to clean up the mess. Okay, so this is where you have to be very precise with the concealer. So with that, as you can see, with the concealer on the corners of the eyes, I've just created this sharp line to give that very sharp look, and I'm just blending my concealer now on both the sides. I'm doing the same on both sides. So this is something how it should look like. Now time to do the under eye. So go in with the darkest shade that you've used, just put it in your lower lids, and then the lighter shade just to blend it out. Yeah, that's the same way I'm doing just now, just blending this out with a bigger rounder brush, and it should look something like this. Okay, I'm going in with my my black pencil and with the mascara, and this mascara is really good. It's from L'Oreal Baby Doll, and it's just really good. One coat, and look at the eyelashes, it's really good.
Okay guys, so that was the makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you guys do hit the like button, subscribe and comment below what you guys think. So see you next time then. Bye.